Yoga has so many varied health benefits that many are considering joining a yoga workout group or simply working out at home. Understanding yoga can be daunting and somewhat intimidating, as there are so many different types of poses that you may feel you will never be able to master them all. Regardless of your level of knowledge, practicing yoga will improve circulation, give your joints more mobility, strengthen your core muscles, and improve your respiration and metabolism, leaving you feeling revitalized and calm. As a long-term exercise regime, you will have plenty of time to learn the different types of yoga and even the poses' Sanskrit names as you progress from beginner to pro. Before you go out and join a yoga group, you can practice and perfect these 3 very simple poses at home. A good start. The downward facing dog is probably the most well-known yoga pose to all new initiates. It allows you to slowly stretch your entire body and is a great warm-up pose. Start on your hands and knees, with hips and knees aligned, hands flat, and toes tucked in. Breath out and lift your knees slowly, keeping them bent and your heels lifted. You will feel your sacrum lifting towards the ceiling as you do this. Tense your inner leg muscles. Breath out again and now lower your heels to the floor, whilst straightening your knees. Tighten your outer arms muscles and keep your index fingers pressed onto the floor, whilst stretching your shoulder muscles. Keep your head up, and not hanging down. You can maintain this pose for a few minutes, before bending your knees again and then resting. Next up, the upward facing dog lifts and opens up your chest area. Lie face down on the floor with the tops of your feet facing the floor. Breath in and place your hands flat on the floor next to you, so you can lift your upper body off the ground. As you are doing this, keep your legs from the pelvis down and supine. Tense your ribcage area and lift your chest. You can also stretch your face up. You can hold this pose for around 30 seconds, before releasing and resting. The third pose, the extended triangle pose, is a standing pose and a great stretching exercise. Stand with feet apart, arms parallel to the floor. Your heels must be aligned, left heel turned a bit to the right with your right heel at 90 degrees. Tense your thighs and turn the right thigh outwards. Turn and stretch your torso to the right parallel to your thighs. Put your hand on your right ankle, and keep your left arm straight, pointed at the ceiling. Reverse and repeat on the other side of the body. Hold each pose for roughly 1 minute before resting. If you practice these 3 simple yoga exercises before venturing out to join an established class, you will not only bolster your self-esteem, but will not feel too much of a novice on your first day. Happy stretching! So, today we are talking about how to beginning your yoga journey. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.